What's going on, guys? This is a stock that I want to take a look at for next week, doing a little intraday chart breakdown on a bunch of stocks, trying to set up a watch list going into next week. Normally on Fridays, I only like to trade maybe the first hour of the market. That's when the most volatility is. Then after that, we kind of get, setups going into next week and kind of, digest a lot more information, heading into the next week to kind of see what we would like to play. But taking a look at nvda, ever since coming off those highs at 230.43, we really haven't done too much. We've tested that area maybe one time in the past week and a half, and then we've been, chopping around a lot, consolidating sideways. One thing that I was looking at yesterday when we did close below the 5 and the 10-day moving average was a push down. So today I was looking for, if we were going to take out 221.35, potentially we were going to come down here and test this rising support on the 20-day moving average, which is around $217. We did not get that. However, nvda has made a strong push up today, currently up about 4 points and 2% on the day, trading at 225.70. So what I do like today is if we can continue to hold and close over the 5 and the 10-day moving average, and we get this close here near the top of the daily candle, this is looking extremely bullish. There's a couple of things I want to take a look at here on the price action on the options heat map. These were the ones that I was really seeing coming in yesterday and even the day before. Okay, so 9/24/2021, obviously this is giving us a 2-week expiration, $240 strikes, $1 million here. So this $20 out of the money is, maybe they know something, maybe they don't. Is nvda going to have a new project? Are they going to do, they're going to drop some sort of news? Is there something coming out with nvda? Because why would there be $1 million worth of bets at 240 for 2-week expirations? Also here, October 15th, we got these 245 and 225 strikes at 900K and 793K. Definitely something to keep an eye at. And when you do get a lot of out of the money option flow like this, it's something to keep an eye on. Obviously, could these guys just be betting that the triple Qs and the NASDAQ and the semiconductors are going to rally heading into the middle end of the month? Possibly. But anytime you go 20 points out of the money, I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but it's just definitely something to keep an eye on, especially when you're watching a stock that does have a lot of option flow out of the money like that. You want to keep an eye on the technical levels. So the technical levels here is taking out this previous channel going back to the 8th of September, which is around 226. We've had trouble in the past here. You can see 1, 2, 3 times here at this 226 area. It's been giving nvda trouble for a long time. Anytime we did break over the 226, we got a quick spike and then an immediate sell-off, and then one time again we did break over the 226 and then immediately a quick sell-off. So that would be 1, 2, and this could be the third time we test that 226 area. And if we test that 226 area, what do we do when we come up here to all-time highs? If that happens at 230, definitely something that you want to keep an eye on. Definitely something that I'm going to be keeping an eye on nvda. Maybe more so for a swing trade, maybe 1-2 week swing trade. If it can continue to hold the 5 and the 10-day moving average, I am confident to hold that swing trade and just kind of let it play out. Give it a little bit of time on the option side, maybe 2-3 weeks out for the expirations, just so I have a little bit more time, and that time decay is not going to eat me up if we do decide to, bounce around right here for another couple of days. So definitely want to add nvda onto your watch list for next week, especially if you're an options player. Maybe go a month out and do some 226 strikes, because that is the level that has been significant in the past. Once it gets through that 226 area, it does have room to fly. And even if you go 226 strikes and we do test here at 230 and get rejected, that's still a 4-point move on those options contracts, and I'm sure the premium is going to move pretty nicely, as it will be in the money. Guys, if you want more information like this, please join the Discord. It's completely free down in the description box below. Also, if you guys want to learn how you can pick out stocks to trade on a day in and day out basis, and kind of how I use all these supply and demand zones on my chart, I do have a website. That link is down in the description box below. Over 2 hours worth of video content kind of showing you guys step by step on how to execute trades. That is down in the description box. And until next time, guys, please do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment. I will see you guys all on the next video.